module is cylinder. Once click on the cylinder, it will redirect you to the cylinder list page where you can see the existing cylinder details which is already available in the system. You can filter it through the start date and end date and also can search any cylinder. Also, you can export it through by clicking on the Export Excel button. You can filter the cylinder status as current or past. To add a new cylinder, click on the Add button, and here you can see all the necessary details to be filled. Once all the details has been filled, click on the Save button and it will be redirected back to the list. To view more about this each list, you can click on the cylinder ID and you can view all the necessary details here, which is of the existing cylinder detail. You can also edit or update it and click on the update button, which will be saved successfully in our system.